Today we're going to make the hottest hot sauce in the world with these. These here are Carolina Reaper peppers. They're some of the hottest peppers in the world, and we're gonna make some hot sauce with them. We just have a few ingredients to this sauce. It's really easy to make. We have some red bell peppers, we have some garlic, onion, and of course the Carolina Reapers. I'm actually throwing in a couple jalapenos and a couple cayenne peppers in there just to give it a little extra kick. So let's get to cutting this stuff up and making some sauce. We're gonna start with chopping up all our veggies here. Everything's just going into the food processor, so you don't have to chop it up real fine or anything. It's gonna get all chopped up anyways. We got our peppers, we got our onions, we got our garlic, and now I'm just gonna put a good splash of vinegar in it. This is just distilled vinegar, 5% I believe. We're gonna start with about a quarter cup, and we will just adjust our recipe from there. So we're gonna put our top on. Got our food processor ready. We're gonna pulse this a few times, and then we're gonna let her blend. We're gonna get that initial chop going. All right, we're gonna give this a quick stir real quick, and then we'll probably give it we're gonna check and see if we need any more. Yeah, that's hot. I can tell that's hot. We're gonna give this another quick blend. All right, we got it all blended up, and this smells amazing, let me tell you. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it through this strainer here real quick into just a bowl, and it's a little bit chunkier consistency than what I was expecting. I'm looking for more of a like a Frank's Red Hot type of consistency, and this is more of a real fine salsa consistency, I would say. So we're just going to take this little hot tamale out. Holy cow, you guys, this is, you can tell it's hot. This just smells incredible. We're gonna dump that guy in there, scrape him out good. This is gonna go great with I would say chili. I'm looking for like a chili sauce or maybe a taco. I'm just gonna kind of press this through our strainer. See that? Yeah, this is more like a Tabasco, Frank's Red Hot, more of a sauce, not a paste. One thing you guys can do with the leftover pulp is you can dry this out and then grind it up and use it to flavor many things. You're gonna lose a little bit here with the pulp, but this stuff's so hot, I don't think you're gonna use quarts of it on anything. Let me tell you, this is looking really good now. I like that. I like that consistency. You can definitely smell this. I can smell the garlic in it. We can smell the vinegar coming through. I can smell a hint of onion. And I'm gonna put one little slice of onion in there, just give it a little flavor. But boy, I'm telling you, I'm gonna set this aside in the sink. Oh, look at that. Look at the consistency of that. That looks like hot lava right there, I'm telling you. So there's a little bit of pulp in there because I used just the strainer, not like a food mill or something. I was gonna use my food mill, but I wanted to see how this worked out first. So there we go. All right, now we gotta dry it up and taste test this guy because I can't leave you guys hanging without no taste test on this. This is the hottest stuff in the world, let me tell you. This is just the capsaicin coming off of it in the air right now. My eyes are watering. So let's get this bottled up and do a little taste test. I'm gonna store this in a syrup bottle. I don't have a specialized bottle for hot sauce yet, but if this turns out like I'm thinking it's gonna, I'm gonna buy some bottles. We got a little funnel here. We're gonna try to not spill this. There you go, guys. That's 12 ounces right there of some hot liquid lava. So, all right, we're gonna get something to taste this on here real quick. That's it, guys. Real super simple recipe. You've seen it. A couple bell peppers, a couple cloves of garlic, a little bit of onion, some Carolina Reapers, jalapenos, and cayenne peppers. A little bit of vinegar to thin it out a little bit. So let's give this guy a shot. Not gonna lie, Candace is holding the camera here quick because I haven't had any of this yet. So whoa, I'm not gonna have that whole spoonful. I can tell you that. We're just gonna go with a little sip here and see how this guy is. So, all right, wish me luck, guys. Oh my! Oh my! I don't need those. I tell you what, huh?
Do you need some milk?
No, we're gonna. If you guys do taste,
my tongue is numb.
If you guys do taste this like that, make sure to have a glass of milk handy or a cow or something that you can get some of that milk in your system. But hey, if you want some hot sauce, right? Oh, I can't breathe. This is good. Try this out. You guys gotta try this recipe. Thanks again. Hit like if you guys like videos. Oh my. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one. That's good. That's real good.
Did the chili mellow it out at all?
Not as much as I wanted it to.
Keep shoveling it in.
Oh.
Just because it's there in front of you, you don't have to eat it all.